Good morning, everyone, from Tucson, Arizona. So today we're working on this 2007 Chrysler 300. I know you guys seen it in other videos before, but this time we're gonna be working the runner valves, the intake runner valves. We actually got them new. We order them online. So we got, this is the left one, and this is the right one. They're both different. They're installed. This is the right one and the left one. Right one goes over here, left one goes over here. The issue with this, it has a code and it's not letting it pass the emission test. So we're gonna be installing those runner valves, and we're gonna erase the codes and crank it up and check the value. Check the value, check the voltage, check the idles when it's running. And we're expecting to have that solution. We studied the code. There's nothing else on it, just the runner valves, and we're gonna be changing them, replacing them. New ones for old ones. These are the old ones. They're going to trash. We are not gonna install them, and we're gonna go ahead and install them, and I'll show you guys the next video once we're cranking it. So here we are. We installed them already. We connect the harness. Make sure you hear that click on there. Put the harness on there. Here are the old ones. Also, it's always good to change the seals. They come with them, so never use the old ones. And we're already scanning it. We're on Chrysler. We said it was 2007. The 300 automatic. So we'll go ahead and do the engine. This is the information of the car, of the computer. Tells you everything. We're gonna go ahead and read the codes. There's our codes. Like I told you guys, short runner valves. So we key. We're gonna clear trouble codes. We're gonna put yes. So it's successfully cleared. So we already cranked it up. We got the car running. You hear the engine. We're gonna go ahead and looks like this guy needs some oil on his engine. I'll just tell him to check his idle. But what my job was to check engine. Like I see, there's no powertrain codes. That's pretty much it. That was the issue. We gave this car a solution.